Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to my another video. Some of my viewers asked me how we can improve sentence structure and speaking ability as well. Today in this video, I would like to share how we can improve sentence structure and speaking ability by doing some activities at home. So while we are at home, at that time we can do some activities to improve our speaking ability. And we have to do such activities daily at home. So this video is gonna very important. Don't skip this video, watch till to the end. If you visit this channel for the first time, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the video. My viewers wanted to know how we can improve speaking ability. So if you really want to improve your speaking ability, you have to do some activities at home. If you are alone at your home, at that time you have to do such activities what I'm going to tell you right now. While you are alone at your home, you should try to remember all those stories what we listen in our childhood. Our grandparents, our parents told us different stories when we were in our childhood. So try to recall all those stories and translate the story into English. You should try to speak the same story in English. So if you practice in such a way, definitely you can form different sentences. You will be able to speak different sentences. So in our childhood, we listen different kind of stories. So our grandfather, our grandmother, our parents told us different stories. So we should try to remember all the stories and we should try to speak that story in English. So if you ask me what I did in my initial stage while I was learning English, I used to create different stories on different topic. I tried to remember all the stories what I listened in my childhood, and then I tried to speak the same story in English. And it really helped me a lot to form different sentences to talk to people. So if you practice in such a way, if you practice storytelling daily at your home for 1 or 2 months, definitely you will be able to form different sentences and you will be able to improve your speaking ability. So you can create different stories on different topic as well. So I did in my initial stage. While I was learning English, I used to imagine different situations and I tried to speak different sentences according to the situation, and it helped me improve my sentence structure and improve my speaking ability. Definitely it will also help to you. You have to practice daily at your home and you can create different stories on different topic. For example, you are going somewhere and you met someone, so create a story on that topic. So right now I'm going to share you a short story on that topic. So I can say you that yesterday I was going to market. While I was going to market, I saw your mother was standing alongside the road. Seeing your mother, I went near to him and I asked him why she was waiting there. She told me that she was waiting for a bus, and I told her I would drop her at home, but she denied. And after 5 minutes she called your father. Your father came there after a while and your father picked your mom to home. So like that we can create different stories. Try to create stories and try to speak. If you create such stories daily at your home on different topic, definitely it will help you to improve your sentence structure and speaking ability as well. So start practicing from today and it will help you a lot. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.